Happy Sustainability Saturday. So today I have a special guest. This is Dave Oakes from our Siemens solution partner, PowTechnologies. So we've spoken a lot about how technology can deliver sustainable outcomes. And so I wanted to find out a bit more about what Dave and the team are doing, what your purpose is. So can you tell us a bit, Dave, about PowTechnologies and what you guys do?
With pleasure, Sarah. First of all, thanks very much for having me here. It's
Welcome.
always nice to be at Sir William Siemens' house.
Yes, from Manchester today. The sun is out even, hurrah.
At PowTechnology, we're about adding connectivity to sensors and machines, getting data to where it can be of benefit.
Yep.
So we'll take maybe some sensors from Siemens and we'll add the connectivity to that, get it into the cloud. It helps reduce energy consumption, it improves the viability of an offering, so many benefits in it.
Yeah, and everyone's really focused on energy at the moment, and we've seen the great news from the industrial strategy about the support that the government's going to provide, but there's still a huge opportunity out in industry, isn't there, to reduce energy bills, reduce energy usage, should I say. Have you got any examples of some of the companies that you've worked with?
Absolutely. I mean, a big part of what we do is remote tank level monitoring.
Okay.
So driving here today, there will have been hundreds, if not thousands, of road tankers that I went past.
Yeah.
Each one of those is going to go and fill up a fuel tank, a chemical tank, animal feed, cement, you name it, all these different products that are getting moved around. And they typically, we know from our data that so many times they go to the tank and the tank is already more than half full.
Right.
If you were to just wait and fill that tank up when it was maybe 20 or 30% full, then you could deliver the same volume of product over a period of time, say a year, using 30% fewer miles.
Okay, yeah.
You've got a road tanker doing, let's say, 100,000 miles a year is typical. So 30% fewer miles, that's less on your fuel bill, 30% less CO2 as well.
Yeah.
So, you know, for
it's almost like hidden from people, isn't it? That you just don't think like, oh yeah, there's a really good opportunity there, getting that data and sort of analysing it and seeing, okay, where can we make changes because of that? And
it's a really, really quick win. You know, these vehicles are using emitting tens of thousands of tons of CO2 a year, and there's thousands upon thousands, if not hundreds of thousands, of these trucks out there.
Wow.
Trucking up and down our motorways. So
we talk a lot about like Industry 4 and we've got all these buzzwords, IoT, and I think your company is able to actually make that simple for customers, aren't they?
Yeah, I mean, I was at Smart Manufacturing Week a couple of weeks ago, and it's all about buzzwords, IoT, Industry 4.0, AI. What does it mean? What matters is, what's your problem?
Yeah.
Let's get some data to solve it.
Yeah.
You know, look at most factories are using a load of electricity, a load of gas, a load of water. What can you do to help reduce that?
Yeah.
Well, first thing is to know what's being used and where. Let's get that data. A really simple win. You know, that is it 1% of the UK's CO2 emissions comes from treating and transporting water.
Right. Okay.
You know, a simple thing to do. You know, where's it going in your factory? Let's measure it. Let's find out. Let's help.
So it's your company is able to sort of make things simple, get that data, connect assets, and really, you know, if you're a factory manager or if you're able then to get those insights for people to make really good decisions in terms of the technology.
Precisely, exactly that, and it is about, we keep saying it again and again, keep it simple, make it simple, do one thing, get a benefit, learn from that, and then progress through the organisation.
So if you're one of the many SMEs or bigger companies in our manufacturing industry in the UK, if you're going to do one thing and you want to get some, you know, access to data and you want to make some really intelligent decisions to, you know, make your resources more efficient, reduce your energy bills, you need to contact Dave and get in touch and find out how they can help you. But thank you for joining me today. It's been a pleasure. And we'll go and enjoy the Siemens Manchester sun that we've got today. Take care.
Thank you.